This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Wendy Dong. Rarely available, penthouse condo with full open views of the bay. This recently remodeled 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo offers an open floor plan with lots of light pouring in from the 2 sets of sliding doors off the living room that open to a wrap-around balcony. The spacious and open kitchen has lots of cabinet and counter space, solid surface counters, stainless appliances, and a large dining area with built-in corner seating. The living and dining rooms are light and bright with travertine tile flooring throughout the condo. Watch a beautiful sunrise over the bay from your bed in the lovely master bedroom with sliders out to the balcony. Relax in your huge jacuzzi tub in the beautiful ensuite bathroom, complete with a long vanity and stall shower. The second bedroom is located right next to the hall bath as well as a full-size laundry room with a brand new washer and dryer. The Atrium offers 24/7 staffed front desk/security, heated pool and spa overlooking the bay, rooftop tennis courts, fitness center, club room, library, and on-site management. Great location on Bayshore Boulevard. Walk to Howard Avenue to enjoy all of the Old Hyde Park shops, restaurants, and clubs. For more information,